Another month, another province. Ivan, ke re motho a no fihla ka gona maya dithaba jwa. Forgive me, Shem, my laptop bag on the mountains, girl. It's the only thing that I have. Am I gonna get to the bottom? I must get to that white car. Ain't no way, bruv. Ain't no way, bruv. Chilling in the. Marangere le bona gore go meleng tebeletse jwang a kere guys. Solo no rukisha in the meantime. To be honest, I get happy with my work outfits, but like, it will do for now. I literally packed one bag and I threw everything inside. So, I don't even want to be too hard on myself because what must I do? What must can happen? So, a shopping spree in Wokosana. I know exactly what I want to wear, but in the meantime, weird scientists.
I don't even want to do this. I'm doing it for you guys.
Okay. Are you guys scientists?
Yes.
Oh, to be a scientist. These are the things that we find interesting. Like, especially being the scientist of nature. These are the things. So the first bus I take, there's usually a church service where we just praise the Lord. This is where I catch my second bus, and after I get off, I have a little walking distance I have to cover until I get to work. Like, yeah, being a tree hugger and all, I enjoy the walk and the views.
Since we don't have anything to do now.
Yeah.
Maybe later.
I'm going to say it's newbie. So ke nna re fihlang pele ke nna re bula monyako. And we're still trying to keep that hydration up, Shem. I don't know why, but it's just something satisfying about having clear pee. I know it's kind of weird, but honestly, it's an accomplishment on a daily basis. Hi, Bo. Good morning. Ooh. So I'm having yogurt and muesli for breakfast in the office. I don't usually have breakfast, so... Or rather, let's go out and about. And nothing makes me happier than going on site, Sham. And I'm not no kena Valerie. What papa de la kena the botanical garden special entrance. Gila one. Get la ring. Get the perks study scientists. We found the name. Shiwabariki, the cabbage tree emperor moth. Otherwise, Mushito Ujwelapi.
Take away. Go.
Oh, the beauty of Mother Nature. re phethile jwale re feditše re kena tseleng. This is honestly my least favorite part. Going back to the office. Like e chaile ya magwa bela re emetse bus. Ya no jela ke sa nagana mona re ya re shia bus. Ha de kra re fedile matla re dutse fase jwale. Oh my god. Okay, it's getting serious. Y'all remember when I was watching these? Nah. I remember when ke rata ko botse ka ba phone papa. These specific true blankets. Here I am. I got put out hey. Stupid me forgot the duvet, but we out here. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, mama come kwa gore chapise ke yo go batla jwang ka scream ahla. Anyway, good Friday there. It's been a good week. Ended off on a high note. We went to the botanical garden and it was obviously vibe. I'm settling in my new place, my new workplace, my new environment, my new province, label honey, and it hasn't been easy, but one day at a time. You know, I'm a big girl, like yeah, I can do this, you know, like I've been through a lot and I know I can get through whatever life throws at me. I'm just grateful for this opportunity, you know. I'm just choosing to focus on the bright side, and I mean enjoying the fact that my prayers were answered, because I talked about this so much in my last vlog, my favorite vlog. Like everything I'll do, I'm like, nah, happy get some. Even when I was cooking at home, I'll be like, ish, because get some, you know. I was not sure, but I just believed there's no way, you know. I was like, modimo le badimo ba ntirile plan. I'm tired of this. I want to have a job. This is my dream job. This is my dream location. So ke happy, you know. Everything else doesn't matter, you know. I'm just choosing to focus on the positive and enjoy the journey, because we get so caught up in saying, yeah, I'll be happy when I finish my matric, I'll be happy when I'm accepted in varsity, I'll be happy when I finish my degree and walk down the stage, I'll be happy when I am employed, I'll be happy when I get an increase, I'll be happy when I get a promotion. No, I've realized, or no, enjoy the journey as well. It's not just about the destination, it's about how you get there, you know. On your way there, you spend more time on your way there than the actual destination, because once you get there, you're going somewhere else. So I'm just enjoying it, and I'm not gonna lie and say it has been easy coming to a completely foreign province where I don't know anyone, where I don't have a family I could just run to, where everybody is literally a stranger, having to start afresh. It's a great thing, like it's a new chapter of my life and all of that, but it's not easy, and I'm just riding the wave, you know. I'm enjoying it, making the best out of it, because why not? Why the hell not? So I made it through the first half of the month. Let's get into the rest. And I'm still here breathing, papa. And I just want to say thank you to my God, modimo, and the universe to just listening to me and placing me where I belong. Okay, but now it's the weekend. I miss home. I miss my people. But I'm just not even looking for, like, everybody was like, I get the bus left us, so I was like panic. I just want to get home. I'm like, nah, I don't mind Jim. I have nothing that I'm going home to. Like, this life work is my this work life is my life. If it's a weekend, like I don't know what to do. But yeah, let's get through this weekend. Let's get through this a day at a time, one step at a time. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. The weirdest part is I've been struggling to sleep ever since I got here. The only way I'm gonna get proper sleep is by a drink or by a very, very busy day. So there's many ways to kill a cat. I'm watching Wednesday. Loving it. Loving it. Because I love episode 8. That's yes, yes. Jo, can I tell you? The weekend at home. Up is 6. Ke boregile tlar ke robala ka dikarata ke tsoga ka tsona yaanong ke tlhoka data mo bophelong awa so ba ka bohloko lena these two things ke tsamaya 6 rand ka boa ka 5 ranta just for ke hlatswe ene bona ba shenetseng ke nyane jwang yane go se lebale papa time to play is fucked up back to square back to yeah back to the bottom of the food chain. Yeah, ne. Mothata kgona go robala mosegare. Good morning. Ke one ne re load shedding. Ene ke gona ke tsogang ka le gona ke robalang ka tseba gore ke tsoga mo. Tla be le ste motlha se ga se le go bua. Otherwise, le shapa batho ba ka. I hope so. Dango. Nare motho tla pa dikarata petri ya be ya fela. Motla go se bua ka diri. Yes, at least I have work to save me from this boredom, you know? So, let's get into it. Yeah, the lentils, I did focus shiba, I did duri, and the healthy. So, half for now. Let's see how far it takes us. Honey, man. Ke re bottom we back to hlapela ka ra se kotle. Hey. Oh, we do live at home. Ke na ka Wild Island, not even Oros. Ne ke jala ka pigeon because I ka tla le sekolo se stay. A tseba keng? Good morning, it's a Sunday. And nothing starts my day like a breath of fresh air in the morning. And tell me why these people built their houses on top of the mountain. Isn't that dangerous? But otherwise, how's the weather? Looks like raining. Well, it was raining last night. Enjoyed that thoroughly. Oh, what a beautiful place. A beautiful world. First part of the day is cleaning, and I do it once a week, Sundays. Ding. That was a bad idea. I shouldn't have put all of it in. Toffee, so long. He got sunshine. He rain now. This hair needs to go shit. And the length decides to irritate me. So I kinda wanna cut it shorter. Now how cute is my Sunday outfit? clean vibes. When I said I didn't pack anything, I mean it. I didn't pack anything. So, that is on Sundays. And the chance to wear skirts and dresses because I can't wear skirts and dresses to work. I don't want to lose touch with my feminine. I'm reading 1 minute devotions for young women. I got this as a gift from my varsity friend, and it's like my most treasured gift ever. So today is 12th March, and it says, the community united. If one part suffers, all the parts suffer with it. And if one part is honored, all the parts are glad. Have you ever had a toothache? That one tooth that throbs with a pain nearly indescribable. The ache of one tooth can make our entire body feel ill. Our immune system then perks up and begins fighting against infection or the spread of illness. This is how it should be with the body of Christ. When one person feels discouraged, grieved, or hurt, it affects us all. We all then rally around the aching person to fight for healing and health. Similarly, when one person experiences joy and gladness, it should spread like wildfire throughout the community. The joy can be our joy, and we should embrace it wholeheartedly. And at times, our pain will be our pain, and we'll honor it wholeheartedly. Then when our own happiness or aching comes, and it will, others will share it with us as one body united in Christ. How beautiful. I'm sure. Must stand on solid motor sure. I really feel like I'm about to devour all of this. Oh, it looks so juicy, the meat. Paparame. 3 steps down and I'm good, honestly. I'm full. Tashia's kaftinsa. Miracle. Abo? Yeah. Garinga screamer. Ah, my god, my dream car. If you know, you know, bruv. If you know, you know. So that's gonna be my weekend car, and this is gonna be my work car, brava. Rapture. Oh, I'm in love with it. I don't know. I'm gonna marry Tabagitlari. And then it's a baby, labo. But in the meantime, I'm a carry passion. Jonga. I'm enjoying the views while I'm still a passenger princess. Because once I get on the driver's seat, there's no going back. We are officially marking our territory as the botany interns. Welcome. We don't discriminate. Everyone is welcome in everything.
There's so many here.
Where?
You can see their shells. I think there's more in
Oh, this popcorn. Why does it look like that? It's braining. What is this? Skaftin samasteni. Juna. Skaftin samasteni. Oh my god. This is the reason the entire office smells like burnt pap.
He's dealing with the design, the plan.
We have decided to deal with these invasive species one by one, making a difference, saving the world. I hope. What if it jumps on me, Shema? The risks I take. I think I'm too close. Operation Tidula Nandana. Don't tell me I don't have the cutest work jacket ever. Sponsored by Baby. Swoosh. Can't see. We made it to the middle of the month. Halfway through, almost at the finish line. We're exhausted, but we keep pushing. And it's a Wednesday, so it's also like the middle of the week. And it's almost Friday. And so I need my hair needs to be done, but my skin breakouts. My diet hasn't been the healthiest, Shem, so I understand, Kesan. Another day for lentils, Shem. At least the master no gadimi. Diloja or lingane kadibiri kisha. Exagela gaiji. Oh, kari joja mbia. Mawe akini lekas shiva. Hey. I learned my lesson, Shem, so I cooked the popcorn in a pot, well, at least for tomorrow's lunch. And I think I'm gonna leave this. Whoever gets here first can have it. On a budget of 400. This is what I got from Spa. Shem, to last me like a week or two. So I have mayonnaise, I bought eggs, tuna aromats, tin fish, lentil, spaghetti, spices, soup. And for work I have biscuits, banana loaf, wheat bix. So this is for breakfast. And yeah, here goes nothing. Today. At least life is not that bad. all the way up. We are touching the clouds. Cloud 9, a different type of cloud 9, honey. Made it to the top. What goes up must come down. Hey? I lost a braid, front row seats. I guess it's time for these 4 looks to go, but I was hoping to hold on to them one more week. Cause muto ga swara kam, ha swara shampoo, ha swara hair dryer, ha swara nothing. I can a plan. I ka swara le hair food. Mira go etlo jaka shem. It's like literally these small things like this that just get to me. I'm just like, everything is going wrong. It can't get worse, and then boom. Boom. Nobody talks about how exhausting it is to take out 4 logs, because wow, son. And I'm sleepy. A little pressure. And it's just like frustrating because it's so difficult. How it's I'm over it. For some reason it was easier. Well, not easier because I just pulled it from the front. But yeah, I'm tired, Shem. And I'm hungry. I was not planning to eat because I didn't appreciate it until the Shem. I don't wanna lie. So tomorrow I'm definitely cooking a real meal, Shem. At least. Other than that, I think I'm asleep, Shem. I'll finish up tomorrow. Because if I stay up, I'm gonna get hungrier. And I'm losing weight, because I'm not even eating. I'm not eating proper food. I'm not eating proper portions. I'm not eating regularly. I'm just a mess. My body's just like going through a lot. But I'm going through a lot, so we're in this together, my man. Mare settle na kwa go re go be monate ne. Let's come blame it ke order for manyo. It's again. Like nje. You know what? Can't wait. I'm even celebrating sana. Because I drew my jamare and my stomach just growled. I don't know if you guys heard that. Kinana kana manji nama. Ke khale ke sa ji nama batho ke ra nama. Yo. Finally done. Nobody talks about how difficult it is to unravel 4 logs. Like, the entire unplating process is honestly so excruciating. Done. Kaba soup. Tabaya stays off again. I'm gonna shame my hair broke enough. As you can see, there's still some hair on the bar soap, so I'm just gonna let it be. I can never get over the amount of hair I lose. Oh my god. Mira ke tla go laning every time you know. Look what's happening. I'm plan. That was quick. I'm a happy girl. I'm less than an hour. She didn't pull my hair too much. Shape like baby hair or an aftercare, the mousse and spray application on my scalp shim to restore the damage. So I'm happy. You can actually still see the spray. I'm happy with the surface shim. Mara relax hela papa. Oh, you go and get you know, like wow, but I'm a happy girl. I'm a happy customer. She did all the extra things like the baby hair and applying mousse and spray for my scalp. I wanna like nje. Ke happy shame. I'm for 50 rand. This is like really cute. And I know it's giving unemployment, but it's temporary. Like nyake ke tlo shapa di inches mo le re nwe. I get it. I wanna give a chance. Not that I have a choice, but yeah. Bambisanya nabo. In the meantime, give for the meantime. Otherwise, get cheapy regardless. Like whatever I do, you know, right cheap, only cheap. You make everything look good, even poverty. I did mincemeat and spaghetti. I had to break it, Shem, because wow, I was fine. My package is here from home. We have my bag in there. So at least I'm gonna start going to the mountain with a laptop bag. Chicken dinner, I just pants, gym wear. I'm happy about that. And I think I should put in my taser as well. So we'll see into my beauty. Oh. Is this mine? It's not mine. Okay, jeans, hats, t-shirt, bras. I forgot my bras at home. Shame. Things. My nails. I can do my nails. My taser charger. My file. I can do my nails and stop looking like a boy. Okay. Where's the taser? My taser. Okay. Here it comes. It's hella hot. It is hot. Ew. My lucky shirts, interview shirts, bro. Gym wear, more hats. At least complexion is labua. Complexion is labua, Shem. This is not mine. Some of these are my sister's stuff. Okay, I wanted these jackets specifically. And my shoes. Get happy. I'm happy. Period. You, I'm so long to me like I need the lina. Relax, Now that I'm looking back, it makes sense because she applied the relaxer on my forehead. Why, I don't know. literally my favorite thing ever. And I'm just to start off the day on site. Like, I'm so happy. I am happy with my job. Like, I have the dream job. Like, I'm living the dream. It can only be modimo le badimo, and I'm forever grateful. This is probably my favorite office outfit look for the month. Yeah, it's giving. After receiving a few essentials from home, my outfits did get a little bit better and I started to blend in with the environment, at least I was one. And this brings me to my favorite side outfit for the month. It's giving buttoners. Good morning. It's another day in the office, and first things first, getting some ventilation through. Nothing beats fresh air in an office space. I am having breakfast, and on today's menu we have black rooibos tea and a muffin. I don't usually have these, but I realized that I don't get full with just my Weet-Bix. So I tried something new, but still added my Weet-Bix with Nestle, sugar and cold water. That's just how I like my breakfast, cold, whether it's cold water, cold milk, which it does magic. And I ate both, but by the end of this I was just too full and I was kind of sleepy, so I'm not doing that again. And it was lunchtime, so I had my banana and another muffin with 3 slices of white bread and jam. It wasn't great, but at least the views are. Mana kijai. Kanama. Man, it's been a long month without meat, so I finally got some chicken, and at least I added some mixed veggies to my lentils, and this is what I'm having for dinner. Good night. I really am my boyfriend's girlfriend. Like, this is all him, Shan. I miss him so much. I stole his clothes, but it's for a good cause. I'm distant to me. And this is how my month ended. Honestly, much wasn't that bad. I mean, not too bad. I mean, I'm glad I survived it. I don't know how. I didn't think, it's working. I'm just glad it's over because it hasn't been easy. But I'm glad I got to get some real food in my system, even though I had a tummy ache after this because I've been eating rubbish forever. So my stomach is just like shocked by the cuisine, honey. So that was like a breakfast shuffle, I guess, at this cute old-ish restaurants at a small town in Kapsoop. But before this, we were on site as per usual for our Friday fun day. Hello everybody, I'm Naledi. Welcome to my channel. You have just witnessed 4 to 5 weeks in 45 minutes, and much was a lot. I couldn't have made it through without modimo, badimo, my family, my partner, my friends. Thank you guys for just supporting me financially, emotionally, and just like doing the best you can to make sure I make it through. And we did it. We are here. We survived. And here's to more. Anyway, that's it for me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, put your notifications on, because you do not want to miss what's up next. Like, it only gets better from here. Like, it can only get better from here. So I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, thank you. Bye.